Hello everyone and welcome friends to this video. Today I will show with you the best niche trading on merch by Amazon. So guys, let's get started for the first niche. The first niche that I have, guys, it is vintage. Never forget it, the zebra captured. So guys, this is trending niche with very low BSR. You can check this BSR here. Added last 3 days ago, 10 June 2025, and this already makes sales. You can make similar design, or you can change the color or make something new about this new design. And the second niche, guys, it is something like this, but it is make a free word, as you can see here, and this also makes sales. So the third niche, guys, it is you can tell me what you do. You are not my daughter. So guys, this is also popular niche, but I think this is a very popular niche on this. You can make if you have ads, guys, you can read ads about this niche and you can also make sales. This is niche I have, guys, American trackers design. It is white stations 1 mil. It is also make a sales this with price 80.99. It's high price, and you can make design similar like this. And this is the niche funny now kings and American, guys. This is also niche. So guys, you can check also the trademark and copyright about all this niche. And the last niche that I have, it's not finished today. It's also just like a joke. You can check the BSR very low, and this new design. You can make also design about this style, or you can change the style about this design. And guys, I will post more video about niches. Just subscribe to my channel, and I hope this video helpful for you. And don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video.